more you give, the more you receive.
Yes.
So live in love and unity and harmony. We
Yes.
fight for diversity in Brixton, so everybody can live as one. It no matter who you are, what.
For me at 12 years of age, chat might go up on stage, never afraid, cause me know where me go in it for. Further still when me smaller, known as a footballer, used to try be them all, me was a dribbler. So much good.
Sexual. It's about life. Unification. It no matter who you are, where you might be. Money doesn't make you rich. Your health and strength is your wealth. It's a pan top. You know, your uncle, mommy, they pan top. We sit down on the radio, mommy sit down on top.
It's me playing music.
That's you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm selling records, so...
You're selling records, okay.
Yeah.
Alright,
I'm a
so...
DJ, I'm a musician, that's my record right there.
Okay.
Yeah. Andrew Ashong.
Andrew Ashong.
Yeah.
We got Andrew Ashong people, yeah. If you're watching this is still open, it's still offering a lot of variety of importation of fruits and vegetables, you understand, from all around the world. So you got the coconut here, you got the yam here, said way the cassava. Yeah man, a good vibes. Let me see. Yes, people, welcome to the real true culture of Brixton, the heart of little Jamaica people, but not just that, yeah. It's such a multicultural, diverse community. Today, we're gonna go through a walk through the whole community, just seeing the dynamics. It's night time as well, so Brixton at night. You understand, we've got the famous Electric Avenue here at Brixton, people, yeah. Yeah man, just stay tuned on this journey, people, yeah. Where we there today? We're live at Brixton, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Yeah man, so yes people, so our good vibes, so yeah man, we're there. We're in the place, we're in Brixton. Yeah man, we can't see anything, but we're gonna go anywhere, people, yeah. Our good vibes, wow. The dynamics here is real. Yes people, so yeah man, let's go walkabouts in Brixton, people, yeah. A good vibe. So yeah man, not going nowhere Pacific. I'm just showing you guys the area at night and what Brixton is like at night, the dynamics of what Brixton's got to offer at night time as well, people, yeah. Yeah man, a good vibe. It's a very, very, very busy place, people, yeah. Very multicultural. You're not just gonna come and get one type of race here, you're gonna get people from all over the world here at Brixton, people, yeah. Yes everybody, so yeah man, so Brixton's got a lot of nightlife and a lot of things to offer for the nightlife. Here we've got the Beehive pub here in Brixton as well, people, yeah. Yeah man, it's a next attraction spot where people come out, night out, people, yeah. A good vibes. Yeah man. Department store. Brixton is very busy. It's very diverse. There's a lot of things you can do down here, and it's attached to a lot of places, and it's connected as well in the sense of like what you can do. It's got the underground, it's got the overground. The underground, which is the tube station, and the overground, which is the overground train station, and it's also got a lot of connecting buses going to various different places. You understand, people all around London, so good vibes. Yeah man, just the roadside, the streets of London. Another thing that Brixton is known for, Brixton also has an academy as well. So let's pass over the academy and see what I go on over the academy, people. Yeah, good vibes. Brixton also has a police station, which we're right next to the police station right now. Police yard right there. You can see it. So just in town, in the middle of town as well, there's a police station here at Brixton as well, which is, we're going right opposite here. The road that we're on here, Canterbury Crescent. We're going across here just to go over across the road to the Academy people, yeah? Our good vibes. You know, another thing that Brixton offers as well is a lot of street art. You'll see a lot of graffiti in various different parts of Brixton. As you walk around Brixton, you'll see a lot of graffiti in various different parts of the town as well, people, yeah? Yeah, man, our good vibes. You can see the Jamaican flag tucked up in there. Yeah, man, our good vibes. But let's get to the Academy people, yeah? Our good vibes. Back in the day, yeah, this Morley's chicken shop here, right here opposite the train station, and still is, used to be frontline people, yeah. You understand? Our good vibes, you understand? Don't know where I go on people, yeah. So you got the Morley's right here. That is it. Just coming here, can you imagine back in the day this used to be the hangout spot. Alright. Going to the Brixton Academy people, yeah? Just showing you little different parts of Brixton. Brixton's got a lot of connected estates to it as well. Estates like Summerley in Mitesfield and Angeltown, and also connected to Loughborough Junction, and also connected to Stockwell as well, people, yeah? You want to come out and get some dessert? It's got the creams right here in Brixton, people, yeah? Dessert place, ice cream, waffles, all of them kind of things there. A good vibe. Alright, so the Brixton Academy is right here. The Brixton O2 Academy. This is it here, people, yeah? Right opposite the Nando. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Seems like there's a big artist in there performing tonight. Who's performing in there tonight? Barry Can't. Okay, this is who's performing in there tonight. Barry Can't Swim. Never heard of him, but they've got a lot of security and a lot of, you understand, outside for him today, people. Yeah, our good vibes. So, yeah, man, it seems like it's going to be a big concert. Barry Can't Swim. Some more street art here, just on the roadside. Yeah, man. So, mate, you're just getting some of the artwork.
Oh, let me move back. You know what my picture's going.
Yeah. Good vibes. Are you on site for the concert?
Yeah.
So what is it? Do you guys just on site as paramedics for the events?
Yeah, for the minute.
Okay, who's performing tonight? Barry Can't Swim.
Yeah.
Have you heard of him before? Have you heard of him before?
I was here yesterday, so I've heard of him.
Okay. Any good?
Decent. Everyone's decent. They wouldn't be at Brixton otherwise, would they?
Rock band?
Huh?
Is he a pop or a rock?
No. You should buy tickets.
Hmm?
You should buy tickets.
No. I'm just vlogging. I'm just doing vlogging Brixton, and I just thought, let me show people the Brixton Academy, and then there's something going on down there. Yeah. All right. Have a good one, mate. Yeah. All right, people. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So he don't want to talk too much because he's got his mouth stuffed and he's having some lunch. Yeah. Yeah, man. We walk down this little road here, cut through people. Yeah. Yeah, man. Just the back roads of Brixton, said way. Artwork again on the wall. So like I said, when you walk in and around Brixton, you see a lot of artwork in various different places. You understand? A good vibes.
The girl them admire me. Me help the girls them guard my body. How when I'm the dogs them. How we kill dogs in a town and country. Cause dog jam shit and them out dirty. We see them on the rhythm like a lizard.
Look at
Selassie.
Tell the your name.
I'm a name Uncle, otherwise King Isa Shaw.
Yes, I.
I'm on run King Isa Records Limited. Full registered company house. Fully registered PRS.
Good vibe.
I'm a name Uncle. You know why I'm getting name Uncle?
Tell me now.
At 30 years, me I feed the community.
Mad.
I give away more than 1/10 of my swells.
Yes.
My father used to tell me, I give an idiot. But one thing he never say,
yeah.
Son, stop giving.
Yes.
You know what? The more you give it, the more you receive.
Yes.
So live in love and unity and harmony. We
Yes.
fight for diversity in Brixton, so everybody can live as one. It no matter who you are, what sex you are. It's about life, unification. It no matter who you are, where you might be. Money doesn't make you rich. Your health and strength is your wealth. It's a pan top. You know, the uncle, mommy, the pan top. We sit up on the rhythm, mommy sit down on top. No, me, I'm the cowboy felt that top. The pan top, me riding south. You keep my Brixton, I'm on your jump and shout. We sit up on the rhythm, and they can't get it.
No, you're bad. So how
Love you.
long know you there at Brixton?
No, me born in England and grew up Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
And come back to England 1990 and Brixton me there. How much years that now? 30 what?
34 years.
Alright. So
Yeah.
you what? We fight for diversity, you know why?
Yes.
Because there's too much killing,
Yes.
robbery,
Yes.
and stealing.
Yes.
So realize
Yeah.
the gay community and the straight community,
Yeah.
it can only work if we come together.
Yes.
So now we have unified the thing.
Yes.
And the diversity is here.
Yes.
That's why I can see some man can walk with man on the street, no problem. Woman can walk with woman, no problem. We fought for this. Whether you buy, it doesn't matter who you are. Whether
Right.
you're straight, it's about unification of Brixton. Because the more we unite, you get stronger.
That is it.
So last year.
Uncle, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man, I have to big up myself every time, man.
Yeah, love and honor, yeah?
Love and honor, respect.
Yeah, respect. Yeah, peace out. Yeah, man, big up the general people. Yeah, Brixton are good vibes. Brixton is a very, very nice place. Is it a place you can come out and take the family? Yes. There's a lot of things happening in and around Brixton, yeah. So yes, it is a place, it's very diverse. You can bring the family them out, you understand? And you can come out, there's things to do, shopping, it's got the market, it's multicultural. I look a bit more artwork here, people, yeah? So this shows that it also has, we're on some of the back roads of Brixton right now, and as you can see in town, it's all vibrant, but on the outskirts of town, just outside of town, Sedway, on a couple back roads, you see that there's a lot of graffitis on the walls, them Sedway. So there's a lot of gatherings and activities within the local area of Brixton, as much as you see that it's a very nice, vibrant place, but it also has a lot of history that's attached to it as well, people, yeah? Brixton town. It's at the back of some shops. Like I said, more artwork, more graffiti. And as we're walking from the back roads there, and we're coming into town, yeah, into the main strips, you can see that it starts to go upstream a bit. This is here at the side of Brixton Mall here. And we can pop through there, but do that another time. It's got a lot of tapas bars here where you can come out, sit down, cocktail bars, sit down, come out to eat for lunch, dinner. You understand? Good vibes. It's a cocktail hot desk distillery. You understand? Love Brixton here. That bus there is going to Marylebone, central London, Lewisham there. As you can see, that it's very connected, people, yeah. Like I said, there's a lot of graffiti that shows a lot of street art. There's a lot of street art here in Brixton as well. And this is the bridge here is just taking you into Brixton train station, which is this train station at the back around here. Which is Brixton Station Road, which is this road here, people, yeah? Good vibes. I did come out here and cook a few weeks back, but it's a different side to the town at night time, you understand? The town's got a different type of community that comes out, you understand? A lot of the people that you may see that work in and around Brixton at daytime, you probably never see them here at night time, because night time's offering a lot of party life as well. You understand, people? Yeah, man, a good vibe. So what we've got here, where we are right here, is Brixton Recreation Centre. So this is where the recreation centre here, where you can come swimming and a lot of sports activities and things like that. You understand? Yeah, man, a good vibes. So okay. Alright, so we're at the back of the recreation centre. What's at the background here as well is the entrance. It's also the entrance to the train station, people. A lot of different cafe right there. Tapas bar, Aluja. Brixton station here, people, yeah, as you can see, yeah, right here we'll cut you. You've got a lot of graffiti and a lot of artwork here in the station, people, yeah. So this is actual Brixton station here, the overground. So this is the setup. You're coming like you understand, like I said, as you come out of Brixton station here, people, yeah, there's a lot of artwork, a lot of graffiti. It shows you what you're coming into, you understand? A very diverse, very multicultural place, people, yeah? You understand? Offering so much. A good vibes. Yes, a good vibe. So you can also touch to go into the station this way as well. We've got the stairs as well, people, yeah? A good vibes, that is it. So, yeah, man, let's pass through and see what I go on. Bare street art in and around Brixton, like I said, people, yeah. This is the roadsides of Brixton here. We're on Atlantic Road at the moment, people, yeah. Yeah, man, this is Atlantic Road here, Brixton, people, yeah. Our good vibe was gonna walk through Atlantic Road, and right off of Atlantic Road here, we've got Electric Avenue, the other end of Electric Avenue, people, yeah. Which is where the market is. You can see that the market was open today, so the market is just closing up right now. And you got Pope's Road right here, which is another section to another outdoor marketing as well. You understand? Yeah, man, a good vibes, man, Brixton. Like I said, the street art here in Brixton is everywhere. This is one place in South London that you come to, yeah, and there's so much different street art here in Brixton that you would see graffiti, a lot of graphs and that, on shop places and on shutters, people, yeah, walls, light posts, lamp posters. Yeah, man, a good vibe. This is the arcade here. We've gone through here in the daytime. We just take a quick little peek through. You understand? People just sitting down, coming out. It's a night out, people, yeah. You can actually come down to Brixton, yeah, man, and have a night out. You see it? A lot of people come out here. Yeah, man, it's a vibes. This is the indoor market. As you can see, there's various different type of food setups where you can come out with your friends, family, you understand, local get together. You can come down to Brixton and you definitely find something to do. Or if it's food you're looking for, you'll definitely be able to find roots and culture, different foods, you understand? Even you have this store here that's still opening, still offering a lot of variety of importation of fruits and vegetables, you understand, from all around the world. So you've got the coconut here, you've got the yam here, the cassava. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Let me just go inside quickly and show you the kind of things that they've got inside of this store here, people, yeah? Because like I said, sorry, big man, when you come to Brixton, these stores in Brixton, they're mainly offering you a big variety of imported things from all around the world. So if you're from Asia, if you're from the Caribbean, if you're from Africa, if you're from the Americas, if you're from Europe, you come down to Brixton, you will definitely find something that will tickle your fancy, something that you will see back home that you never thought you would see it here in the UK. In Brixton, you might just pick up something that you never thought you'd see. You understand, people? Yeah, are good vibes. Look, oh wow, I come in there and look, they've got this small olive oil compressed refined I'll get myself. Even I want myself. It's always good to have an olive oil with you people, yeah? You understand? So, yeah, man, as I'm in there right now, I can just get myself an olive oil. Let me see if they're all the same. Okay, yeah, they're all the same. All right, $1.99 for the olive oil. That is it. You see what I'm trying to say? That's what I'm talking about, people. And like I said, this is the seasoning section. Come and get a whole range, whole variety of seasoning, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Loads of different little sweets and things and things and things and things. You understand? Loads of, if you've seen something that you've seen before, everybody, yeah? Just put it in the comment section. If you've seen something from your country, something that stands out to you, yeah, man, just put it in the comment section, people, yeah? Good vibes, that is it. No, that's okay, boss.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, yeah? All right, people, I've never seen these before. You understand? Look at them. Original mint balls, ice mint from Jamaica. And another Jamaican thing that we love as well is a Buster, people, yeah? Yeah, man, good vibes. Big up, boss, man, yeah? All right, yeah. These are little cakes from Argentina. What's got inside?
Like caramel.
Caramel inside, yeah? All right, good vibes. Something like that?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. All right, big up, boss. Thank you, yeah? All right. Yes, people, yeah? Brixton, what a nice place. Like I said, even though we see so much different type of street art and whatnot, yeah, man, look, it's a food place. You can come out. It's diverse. Come down to Brixton. If you ever come to South London, yeah, make sure you come down to Brixton, yeah, and pop in. Come and check out what they've got offering down here. It's a very diverse community. You understand? You can come out and eat different type of food. The vibes, man. Yes, people, I think it's good that I got to show you guys Brixton at night. Like I said, look, this is more artwork there. Cold Harbour Lane we're on right now. So this is a big road in Brixton that you should know as well, which is Cold Harbour Lane, people, yeah? And that is off the road that I'm on here, Atlantic Road, which is a crossroad, you understand? Yeah, man.
This is like an unreleased village joint because I want to play. and like, so I really have to like.
Yes, it's a good vibes, people. Big up yourself. You know, say even though we're out and I'm showing you a different community, we're still on the mission. You understand? And the mission is to keep the thing going. You understand, people? Yeah, good vibes. Wait there, one second. I have to show you the artwork and the culture of Brixton, people. Yeah, yeah, man. A good vibe. That is it. Barber shop them open, said way. It's coming to another little arcade quickly. To show you where I'm going. Yeah, man. Like I said, it's Brixton. That is it, a good vibes. Yes, big man, you're right, yeah? What's the community like in there?
The community?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, are you from around here?
Yeah, I'm from here.
Yeah, so you can tell me, like, it's good.
No, I mean, like, in
You
here.
mean within the market?
Yeah, like the nightlife and that.
Well, it always seems pretty busy.
Yeah. So is it always like this, like you can mix in the music or play and...
Well, this is just me playing music.
As you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm selling records, so...
You're selling records, okay.
Yeah.
Alright,
I'm
so...
a DJ, I'm a musician, that's my record right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what?
Andrew Ashong.
Andrew Ashong.
Yeah.
Big up Andrew Ashong, people, yeah. If you're watching this is the man himself.
Ashong. Ashong.
Alright, that is it, people, yeah. Good vibes. yeah, man, you come down to Brixton, come and check him out. We're here. It's a Sunday today as well. And he's here playing some vibrant music for the people then. Our good vibes.
We got good stuff. Ohio players, Isley brothers.
That is it, people. So, yeah, man, our good vibes. Oh, yeah, so, our good vibes. I grew up in the local area of South London, Brixton, Tulsa as well, people, yeah. So this is part of my growing up as well. But throughout the years and times, the community of Brixton has changed a lot. I've seen Brixton turn from one end to the other end, you understand, people, yeah? But at the same time, what we can say is that regardless, it's a very good community that's here, and it's housed a lot of Jamaican here from the Windrush as well, people, yeah. So this is why when you're there outside Brixton, yeah, you feel like you're in a part of Jamaica itself, you understand? Look at this right here at the roundabout. You can see, so the market is here during the daytime, you understand? Right outside, Healthy Heat is there. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So Brixton. All right, anybody that's watching from around the world, where would I recommend you to go for a vibes and a night out in London? Would I recommend Brixton? 100%. I'd recommend you to come down to Brixton because you get to see the whole authenticness of roots and culture, vegetables, importation of different variations of food, places to eat, things to do. At the same time, it's got a recreation centre, so it's got a leisure centre here in Brixton. There's a library which offers a cinema here, also in Brixton as well, people, yeah. And there's various different music studios and entertainment spots in and around Brixton as well, people, yeah. Our good vibes are right here, on the front here. Our good vibes. One thing I wanted to say about Brixton as well, yeah, Brixton is connected to Croydon. As you can see, that this 250 bus here takes you all the way to West Croydon, people, yeah, where you see me cooking all the time as well. So yeah, man, Brixton is one of them places there as well that, like I said to you, is proper connected to a lot of different areas, people, yeah. Yeah, man, have good vibes. Remember I said to you that there's a cinema, there's the cinema over here, which is called Ritz Cinema, which the library is there, which is also right here on Windrush Square, people, yeah. Let's pass over here. Dynamics is just a pass through the town, people, yeah. Our good vibes. So we passed at the O2 Academy as well, yeah, and just here as well, and right opposite Windrush Square, right where that's Brixton Town Hall here. But there's a big long queue here. I wonder what's going on, or what event is so big that the queue is so wide and long and mad. Yes, people, so yeah, man, so we're here, wow. Big event going on tonight, it seems like, people, yeah, so everybody's dressed up and they're going out for the night. So yeah, man, look at this. This queue is dumb. It's going all the way back there. What a queue, people, yeah. Oh my days. It seems like it's like a Espanol or a foreign one. This is electric. Well, this is Brixton Electric. They're going to electric in Brixton. Let's just see who's on the lineup. So Brixton Electric. Guest list queue here. Look how short the guest list queue is, and the other queue is so long. Mad. So where we are here is Brixton Town Hall is right there, and Brixton Electric's right there. Massive inside downstairs. Like imagine, look, it's a sell-off show. The queue outside is absolutely like dumb, ridiculous. You understand? It's bustling around the corner, people, yeah. So yeah, man, we're there, some people, yeah. Brixton, is Brixton the place to come to? Definitely. Has Brixton got the things them that you might be looking for? Most definitely. Despite all the stigma that Brixton carries, you know, cause don't get it twisted, Brixton is one of them places there that, you understand, you have to be on your P's and Q's as a young youth. But you see, as a grown adult coming down to Brixton just to go and have a night out, you're good. But you see, in any place that you go to, the youths them are always going to be in beef with a Croydon youth and a Brixton youth and a Streatham youth and a Peckham youth. But guess what? As time goes by, those same youths that were beefing, if you're still alive, you're not in prison or you're not dead, guess what? A thing that happens, that you get big, you get old, you get wise, and your kids them get big said way, and you realise that it wasn't even that deep when you was growing up said way. So yeah, man, just like anywhere else, I was in Moss Side the other day. Moss Side has a lot of stigma to it as well. One day we're gonna go to like certain different parts of Brixton, like connected down to Loughborough Junction, connected down to like places like Summer Leighton. I got a good friend of mine here that's in Brixton as well. He's a musician as well, and he's a big part of the Brixton community here as well, which is Elijah Judge of Souls. Big him up as well. I must come and try and check him and catch up with him as well, so that he could give you a good insight on the community and the area itself as well, people, yeah? Our good vibes, because he's one of the main people to get a good insight on Brixton as well. But it's been a good one, people, yeah? A good vibes. Yes, people, big up yourself. You don't know, so I'm there with the artist from Brixton. Big up yourself, my G.
Yes, sir. Ranking relevant, saying.
Ranking relevant. So, Mr. Say you're there, right? That's right. Outside the Brixton station, I put in some work in the music, my brother. How long now you been doing the music?
From my idea, my name, I do this thing, you know, from around 11 to 12 years old. Long time, man. Many moons ago.
You know, so I'm not going to take up one whole heap of your time, though, because Mr. Say you're out there, so I work, said way. Tell me a little bit about Brixton and the community.
Yeah, well, a tight-knit community still, you know. Me don't really see nothing I go on really on towards since me been doing this thing. Around 3 months ago now.
Yeah.
Various weekends, we might just come down and, you know, just do a little bit of entertainment, street entertainer, you know.
Yeah, so you get love from the community?
Yeah, man, me get whole heap of positivity.
Yeah.
You know, me don't receive no negativity yet.
Yeah.
All of them like my lyrics and, you know, them say me on fire.
A good vibe. Which part of Jamaica you the high powered from?
Well, I Clarendon me people come from, you know, but me...
Clarendon me powered from too, you know.
Oh,
a place named Mace River, you know, my brother.
Okay.
You know Kelly?
Yeah, man, me know them places.
And them places that come from my yard.
Same.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah,
well,
man.
I'm more like Crawl River and them places where my parents them come from.
Okay,
still, you know.
So, alright. So, as a Jamaican, what are your favourite dish?
My favourite dish, really, well, me have too much for talk, you know, but really, me I go just plain long and say oxtail and rice and peas with coleslaw, yeah.
You see that the general says that oxtail, rice and peas and coleslaw.
Yeah.
Alright, G, where them can find you on the social media?
Yeah, so it's at Ranking Relevant. This is just Ranking Relevant. Both of them, whether TikTok or Instagram, Ranking Relevant.
Ranking Relevant. Give me 2 lyrics now, Ranking Relevant.
Alright, alright, then me I go get this.
Yeah.
For a long time in this game, I better get to know my name, a Ranking Relevant, see me, yeah. Me tear up any rhythm where they give me like a film, because me know that are the reason where they give me for. Me fully up with style all the while, so much lyrics, me compile versatile, never similar. From me at 12 years of age, chat mic go up on stage, never afraid, cause me know where me go in it for. Further still when me smaller, known as a footballer, used to try be them all, me was a dribbler. So much goal me did score, how much you score, me no know, but me sure know I'm more than Gary Lineker. Then me go turn from football, chat lyrics, then stop. Now me come back as a strong finisher. So I beg to move off of the rail, me come in with a wet sail. Where the trophy there? Come, bring it here.
Mad, ranking relevant these people here, live in Brixton. More time you can catch him right here, so at the station, I do some street performance and I just build the community, and you can catch him on the Instagram and the TikTok, ranking relevant. You understand people here? I'm not tell you saying well relevant, you know, because him lyrics them not normal neither. Big up yourself, my brother.
Yes, sir. Big up,
one
sir.
love, one love,
Yeah,
one love. Yes, that
Peace
is the people, yeah. Yeah, man, peace out there. Yeah. Yes, people, I'll give you guys a little insight of Brixton. Yeah, man, at home time right now. Yes, everything was relevant today. Yeah, man, this is a sneak preview of the inside of Brixton people, yeah. At night time, what you can do, just showing you look at diversity. There's so much more to do in Brixton, yeah. It's not one time now, 2 times now, 3 times we're gonna come here. We have to come here plenty more times to show you more diversity. You understand? More things what's going on in. You understand? You understand people, yeah. Love zone, that's right at the bus stop. Our good vibes. We're there. Catch up with you guys in a couple days time, yeah. One love.